Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video, and today we are going to analyze what has happened the previous day. There were some epic trades you could have taken with good risk management, and right now I see a current trade that could play out in the next coming minutes. So basically where we at are the point of control from this entire range. We are at the point of control from this entire range. As you can see, the red line right here. We are also on the daily level. If we zoom in, yeah, it is quite a good daily level. You see 4 open and closes. So we also have formed a Gartley pattern on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, if you measure it, it is a Gartley pattern, all the fibs right in their place. So this is really a level for a bounce. You might want to get into a long position right here with a stop loss below this low, as you don't want to be too aggressive or have bad risk management. Also looking at the Fibonacci expansion from the highs, we see that we are currently at about 0.786 fib. So I do think this is a level for a bounce. So we already have a consolidation over this region. So in the previous video we also discussed another trading scenario, discussing how a break above this high, these resistance, would give us a level to long. Okay, so what basically happened was we did break above that level. We had a sharp retracement down, as you can see over here. Also taking a look at Fibonacci, it probably hit the 618, yeah, almost hit the 618, so kind of a risky one. Also hitting the VWAP, but this was a weird trade because we literally bounced right off, no consolidation. Usually want a consolidation like this for more probability, but it was a bounce, but it was a hard trade to catch, obviously, because you just literally bounced right off the level, barely touching the 618. So it was a possibility we discussed in the previous video, but it was a quick little bounce that played out very well. Okay, so right now I can already tell you this is a Gartley pattern, this is a point of control, and also we do have this beautiful consolidation on the daily level. It was an untapped daily level basically. You see, it was untapped till today, and today we are having a bounce of it. So if you're longing this, obviously you want to use a little bit of higher stop loss, as you don't want to be trapped in the falling knife, claiming to these lows. So that's basically it for the today's trade. But a while ago what you basically had was a swing failure off of this low. This was a beautiful trade. You closed right above the candle, above this black line. Basically you can see that we do have sort of a divergence on the cumulative delta, and recently on the 15-minute time frame, if you zoom in, you can see we also have divergence. As you can see, this is a clear divergence that we could trade right now. We have made the higher low, but the cumulative delta has made a lower low. So cumulative delta is basically the market buys that are being placed in the market right now. So there are more retail sell orders basically, so that gives a higher probability for the market to push up. So that's basically it for the analysis. Make sure to subscribe. Also taking a look at the pump and run scenario, it is still in play. We could have a massive push up to the upside in the coming days. Take care, and I'll see you in the next analysis video. Okay, so new update guys, we had a swing failure of the low, kind of a swing failure, almost closed. Yeah, we did close above. So if you did get stop out on this trade, what you need to do is, if you get acceptance back above the point of control, you can re-enter your position with good risk management approach. That's the update. It did break down, had kind of a swing failure, the divergence, and the Gartley is still in play. We need acceptance above the point of control level, the steady level right over here to re-enter the trade if you want to. That's basically the update I wanted to drop at the end of the video. See you in the next one, guys.